Fashion trends that will dominate 2026. But why is this happening? In fashion, there's a principle called the pendulum theory. For 5 whole years, the fashion pendulum was stuck on comfort and oversized silhouettes. But now, that pendulum is swinging rapidly in the opposite direction toward structure, elegance, and femininity. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 major trends of 2026 that will transform your wardrobe from ordinary to billion-dollar. And I promise, trend number 4 and 7 will completely shake up everything you thought you knew. Ready to get ahead of the times? Let's dive in.
3, 2, 1!
Trend 1. The return of corseted waists. For years, we hid ourselves under hoodies and oversized coats. But fashion psychology says that in the post-COVID era, people are once again craving visibility and the chance to show their body shape. Brands like Dior and Versace sent a clear message this year. Be an hourglass. In 2026, jackets no longer hang loosely on your body. They embrace your waist like a sculpture. Stylist's tip: you don't need to buy new clothes. Just add a wide leather belt over your old blazer. Congratulations, you've just stepped into 2026. Trend 2, Black Cherry Burgundy. Bright red had its moment, but its era is over. The king of colors in 2026 is what we call black cherry or oxblood. Why this color? Because bright red shouts, "Look at me," while deep burgundy whispers, "I have power and wealth." It's the more mature, mysterious version of red. You'll see the shade on leather, handbags, and even nails. It's the new black. For those who are tired of wearing black, but don't want loud, flashy colors. All right, are you ready to witness the most dazzling trend of the year? The time to shine has come. Trend number 3, liquid metallic. This trend isn't just for evening wear or special occasions. It's now fashionable to shine even during the day. It's like liquid metal melting over your body, creating a stunning, fluid, and luxurious effect. How to wear it? If you're not ready for a full metallic silver pant or skirt, don't worry. Start with accessories. A metallic gold or silver handbag can transform even the simplest black or white outfit into a trendy look. But if you're feeling bold, it's time to add a metallic statement piece to your wardrobe. Maxi and midi dresses in silver, gold, or copper for parties. Shiny jackets and blazers that can even pair effortlessly with a simple pair of jeans. It's time to talk about one of the most captivating and delicate trends of 2026. A trend that requires both courage and taste. Layered sheer. This trend has existed for years, but never before has it been executed with such precision, artistry, and luxury as it is today. 2026 is the year fashion steps onto the border between technology and art, and layered sheer is the perfect example. The concept is simple, yet the result is extraordinary. A delicate, sheer organza blouse layered over a silk camisole, or a lightweight lace dress paired with a structured blazer. It's this very contrast. The rigidity of the blazer against the softness of lace, the balance between coverage and transparency, that creates a visual depth that is truly striking and mesmerizing. This trend isn't about showing your body. On the contrary, it's about mastering subtlety, what is revealed, and what is merely suggested. It adds a multi-dimensional personality to your style, just like a great story. When you layer sheer pieces, you're not just stylish, you're mysterious. Your allure doubles without a hint of exaggeration, and that's exactly what sets 2026 fashion apart from previous years. If you're seeking a feminine, modern, and exquisitely delicate look, this trend is made for you. Just remember, in layered sheer, beauty lies in showing less, and allure lies in showing just enough. This is the future of fashion. This is intelligent elegance. If you think polka dots are only for old-fashioned outfits, or something from your grandma's closet, today's hot news is going to completely change your mind. Because 2026 is bringing back one of the most nostalgic patterns in fashion history with full power. Polka dots. But wait, before you grab anything with dots on it, there's one very important thing you need to know. Polka dots in 2026 are not the tiny, busy, childish patterns you're used to. The new version is a super chic, modern revival of the 1950s. Bold black and white combinations, oversized minimal dots, clean silhouettes, and a vibe that instantly turns you into a contemporary version of ladylike elegance. And why is everyone obsessed with it? Because this trend has a real magic. The bigger the dots, the stronger, cleaner, and more eye-catching your style becomes. And the best part, it works everywhere. Casual looks, perfect. Parties and events, amazing. Formal outfits, absolutely. Honestly, all you need is the right polka dot piece, and half of your styling is already done for you. But the golden rule of wearing polka dots in 2026 is just one thing: simplicity. 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 No extra accessories, no extra colors, no extra noise. In this trend, the pattern is the one that needs to shine. And now an important note for those who love small polka dots. Good news. Even though the main trend of 2026 is bold, oversized dots, small polka dots can still look stylish and totally on trend if you use them smartly. How? Stick to neutral colors, clean silhouettes, and minimal styling. Or use small polka dots in smaller pieces, like scarves, tops, or accessories, to keep the look modern while still honoring your love for the classic pattern. And here's the part most people get wrong: the belt. A lot of people think belts don't work with polka dot dresses in 2026, but the truth is the complete opposite. If you pick the right belt, simple, minimal, and in a neutral color, it can elevate your entire look. The right belt defines your waist, sharpens the silhouette, and makes your outfit look even more elegant and polished. So the final takeaway? Whether you go for bold polka dots, small ones, or perfectly chosen belt, if you style them smartly and minimally, 2026 will absolutely be the year you shine. Just let the pattern speak and let yourself stand out. Trend 6 and 7, power suits and sharp pointed shoes. And now, the last two trends that go hand in hand to create the ultimate boss lady look. Trend number 6, power suiting. Shoulder pads are back. Wide shoulders and tailored trousers symbolize a woman in 2026 who takes control of her life. Trend number 7, sharp pointed shoes. Tuck away round toe shoes and chunky sneakers for now. Shoes in 2026 are like a sharp knife. Why? Because pointed toes make your legs look longer and your height taller. It's the magic of optical illusion. The 2026 trends are here. Which one are you excited to try? I'm obsessed with dark cherry. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us the story of your style. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to follow us. Lots of exciting videos are coming your way.